Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings quickly to confirm Maps has location access. Otherwise, the app can't save addresses. Once done, launch Apple Maps and find your home by typing the address or dropping a pin where the blue dot sits. Tap the location card, then swipe up to reveal actions. Make sure to choose Add to Favorites or Label and pick Home so the system recognizes it across apps and widgets. Now refine the saved address. On the location card, tap Label or Edit Location to nudge the pin for exact placement. Then select Home as the label or create a favorite named Home with any unit or apartment number included. Once you tap Done, make sure Contacts My Card reflects the updated address so Siri and system services use the same data. This sync helps navigation, reminders, and emergencies. Finish by verifying that Contacts My Card lists the new home address. Save any edits to ensure system-wide use. To test, ask Siri to navigate home or start directions in Maps from your current spot. It should route to the updated address. If something goes wrong, restart your iPhone, toggle location services off and on in Settings, or remove and re-add the home label. These steps clear cache and force the system to reindex the address so changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.